Action.
All right, I'm gonna show an armbar off of a side control escape today. I was showing this in class a couple of weeks ago. So look, Anthony, he's got me in his side control here, right? Right. So say conventional escapes aren't working, etc. I'm having a big problem getting my frames in. First thing I'm gonna do, right, is if I can't go up this way or back, and I can't come here, what am I gonna do, right? I'm gonna go this way, right? Because his pressure's coming downward. So look, I come here and I go here. Get my first frame in, okay? I don't go wrist deep because I can get wrist lock. I just want to make sure my forearm is right against his hip bone now. So now this, I don't go in here because I'm gonna get wrist lock, but look, I graze the front of the face, get right under his throat. Too low, not good. Too far over, not good. Literally, middle of my forearm, graze the face, right under his throat. So now look, my feet, I'm gonna point this way. So I'm gonna bridge, and I'm gonna use my forearm like I'm drawing a sword. And when you see me come up, I'm actually gonna hit a reverse collar tie to keep him in place for a second, right? And I'm gonna hit that arm bar. So I'm here, and I'm here. So look, now you can see this is keeping him down, right? I come here to the wrist and I extend. So I'm gonna do that 2 more times, right? So again, side control, okay? Can't go anywhere. So I come here, 1, 2, bridge, collar tie, boom, right away. So, and again, very good speed. And that reverse collar tie is what's keeping him from posturing up all the way and me completely losing this. And if he does posture up, it's no big deal because I'm basically threatening the armbar, and him posturing up, escaping that, gives me space to get a different position or square back up. So here, okay, can't do anything. Here. And that's the move. Hope you like it. Os.